Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, June 18, 2025, and we have a great mix of finance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline. DigiPay.Guru expands global reach with new cross-border payment capabilities. DigiPay.Guru, a leading provider of next-generation digital payment solutions, has expanded its cross-border payment platform globally. This upgrade aims to streamline cross-border transactions for banks, Fintech companies, and financial institutions worldwide. By offering a faster, more transparent, and highly interoperable platform, DigiPay.Guru is enhancing accessibility for users around the world. The company's commitment to inclusivity and efficiency is evident in this latest advancement. With features like multi-currency support, peer-to-peer remittances, bulk payments, and AML screening, DigiPay.Guru is revolutionizing the global payment landscape. The company's flexible API-first architecture and plans to support blockchain and digital currencies further solidify its position as a key player in the evolving fintech industry.
Investor news breaks. Aegis Capital Corp announces completion of $4.3 million public offering for Stardust Power, NASDAQ SDST. Aegis Capital Corp has successfully closed a $4.3 million underwritten public offering for Stardust Power Inc., NASDAQ SDST, a developer of battery-grade lithium products. The offering included 21,500 shares of common stock at 20 cents per share. Aegis has a 45-day option to purchase up to 3,225,000 additional shares. Proceeds will fund the completion of the definitive feasibility study for Stardust Power's proposed lithium processing facility in Muskogee, Oklahoma. Aegis Capital Corporation, in business for over 40 years, offers investment banking, wealth management, insurance, and more through its primary clearing relationship with RBC Clearing and Custody. For more information, visit aegiscapecorp.com.
Investor news breaks. Quantum BioPharma Ltd, NAC, QNTM, advances brain and alcohol health pipeline, receives Phase 2 trial approval for FSD-202. Quantum BioPharma Ltd is making significant strides in advancing its pipeline targeting brain disorders and alcohol health. The company has received approval for a Phase 2 trial of FSD-202 in patients with idiopathic mast cell activation syndrome, addressing unmet needs in inflammatory pain. Quantum is also preparing for an IND filing for its Lucid MS compound for progressive multiple sclerosis and has launched a PET imaging study with Massachusetts General Hospital. Subsidiary Unbuzzed Wellness is gearing up for a potential IPO, while Quantum has expanded its Bitcoin holdings to $5 million and plans to issue contingent value rights linked to pending litigation. The company reported reduced administrative costs and increased R&D spend in Q1 2025, ensuring cash runway into 2027.
With fresh funding and strong Phase 3 data, PolyPid advances towards FDA approval. PolyPid Ltd announced securing $26.7 million through warrant exercises post-successful SHIELD II Phase 3 trial results. Their breakthrough surgical infection prevention technology, D-PLEX 100, demonstrated significant reduction in surgical site infections and met all key endpoints. With a market cap of around $36 million, PolyPid's undervaluation presents an opportunity for investors. Anticipated catalysts include NDA submission in early 2026, eligibility for Medicare's new technology add-on payment, U.S. partnership discussions, and a substantial market opportunity. The company's platform technology offers growth potential beyond surgical infections, with Wall Street analysts maintaining bullish outlooks. With a notable discount to peers, extended cash runway, and strong support, PolyPid stands out as an intriguing opportunity for biotech investors.
Tech media breaks. GivBux Inc. GUX finalizes deal to acquire Charterhouse, refocuses on gold-backed fintech expansion. GivBux Inc. has finalized a deal to acquire Charterhouse Financial AU, shifting its focus to gold-backed financial services. The acquisition aims to leverage Charterhouse's asset-backed infrastructure and global networks to develop offerings that combine precious metals with digital payments through the GivBux app. Charterhouse founder Anthony Capazzi projects potential revenue of up to $200 million in the venture's first full year. In light of this strategic shift, GivBux has canceled previous deals, including a $39 million acquisition of VeedOrganAmerica.shop and a separate strategic investment, citing due diligence and funding issues. To learn more about GivBux Inc., visit www.givebux.com. Solowin Holdings, NASWIN, is one to watch. Solowin Holdings, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SWIN, is a company to watch, providing a range of financial services, including traditional and digital assets. Solowin serves high-net-worth and institutional investors globally. Through its platforms, Solomon Win and Solomon VA Plus, clients have access to brokerage, investment banking, asset management, and Web3 services. The company's strategic investments, like the $10 million contribution to AlloyX, showcase its commitment to fintech innovation. With experienced executives at the helm, Solowin is poised for continued global growth. For more information on Solowin Holdings, visit their newsroom. InvestorWire is a communications platform specializing in press release syndication for companies and the investment community.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.